Pillen Sheet Metal specializes in delivering high-quality sheet metal products for the lighting industry, interior, machine and equipment construction, with many reputed international brands as references. Pillen also supplies composite parts and complete finished products with quality and reliability as our priority. Customer inquiries are reviewed by our sales engineers and registered in our project management system. The feasibility and any customer-specific wishes are assessed during the inventory phase. Pillen has various sheet metal working machines to create the contours of the sheet metal product. From a 24/7 facility to a CNC-controlled laser cutting machine with a maximum range of 4000 by 1500 mm. In our press brake department, the sheet metal parts can be bent up to a maximum of 3000 mm. Using advanced software, tooling and with the help of our skilled operators, we create high-quality sheet metal parts with minimum tolerances. From single pieces to large series, Pillen meets the demands of the customer for highly technical sheet metal working. Our welding department has various welding robot facilities. Your product can be quickly and sustainably provided with a customer-specific powder coat finish. If requested, Pillen can also assemble a semi-finished or final product. Pillen Sheet Metal, your partner for the delivery of fast, precision sheet metal products.